Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about PROSCAN Roku TV black screen with sound. Fix how to reset and no picture. Fix 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait for at least 10 seconds, plug the TV back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Check cable connections. Ensure all cables HDMI power are securely connected. Try using different HDMI ports or cables to rule out connection issues. Fix 3. Factory reset the TV. Locate the reset button on your TV, usually near the input ports. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button and the TV should restart to factory settings. Fix 4. Contact ProScan support. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, it may be a hardware problem. Reach out to ProScan customer support for further assistance. The link for customer support will be provided in the description. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on your screen. Here you can find the number of different countries to get the customer service and also the address. So you can send your message by post also. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.